Napoleon had once said that the battlefield is always full of confusion, and the side that controls that confusion will win. लेकिन what we are witnessing today is something very different. Confusion is everywhere, and no one seems to be in control, and no one is trying to be in control. Russia is attacking Ukraine harder than ever and still selling oil to the very world जिसने उस पे sanction लगाया था, and seems to be laughing all the way to the bank. यूक्रेन जो था, जो कल तक which was being treated with visible impatience by Donald Trump, उससे अब डोनाल्ड ट्रंप रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं टू शेयर द ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी बिकॉज सडनली द वर्ल्ड नीड्स टू नो हाउ टू स्टॉप Iranian drones. Iran meanwhile is being hit almost every day. लेकिन instead of collapsing, people are marching on the streets in support of the regime, and the Trump is confused. The more pressure comes from outside, the more united the country appears from inside. In Washington, the messaging changes every week. One day, Mr. Trump announces that US will pay for the insurance of oil ships going through the Strait of Hormuz. Next day, he says, no, the oil ships need to show courage to cross the Hormuz. Today, all nations are asked to send their navies to the Strait of Hormuz. Then comes another statement one day, the war will end soon, within a week. Then another, the war may continue. Till a month ago, Mr. Trump was shouting his lungs out and pressurizing countries not to buy Russian oil. And now he says countries are free to buy Russian oil. Putin must be laughing. The world watches and wonders कि भाई कंट्रोल में कौन है. ऑयल प्राइसेस मीनवाइल राइज हो रहे हैं, गैस जो है वो स्कार्स हो गई, एंड इन मेनी प्लेसेस लॉन्ग लाइंस क्यू बने हुए हैं टू बाय कुकिंग फ्यूल. द गल्फ स्टेट्स आर लुकिंग इंक्रीजिंगली नर्वस. They are asking for more Patriot missiles, more protection, more guarantees, because Iranian missiles and drones are no longer a theory or reality. They are every day pounding the Gulf states. And meanwhile, Israel opens another front in Lebanon, displacing millions of people. And the world is fed up now and asking, yaar, why now? क्यों रायता फैला रहा हो इतना? Saudi Arabia and the Gulf countries find themselves on a dangerous road. Deep gorges on both sides. If US-led alliance हार जाता है, तो region becomes unstable. And if it wins, they may have to live permanently under a new hegemonistic order of Israel, which they do not trust. And in the middle of all this chaos, leaders speak with confidence one day and contradict themselves the next. ये वो लड़ाई है जहां जनता public is confused, the countries are confused, and even the leaders sound confused. And a time may soon arrive when the national leadership, when asked by people, साहब कब तक सब ठीक होगा? So the answer the response they may get is, Trump साहब बताएंगे, it all depends on Mr. Trump. And when Mr. Trump is asked the same, he may turn around and say Netanyahu has the answer. But there is no confusion at one place, and that is Iran. Whether one agrees with them or not, the leadership and the people appear clear about one thing. They believe that they are fighting for a cause. And so the war goes on. Missiles flying, drones swarming, navies move, prices rise, and statements keep changing. And the world looks up and asks the same question, what the hell is happening here? Sometimes history moves like a tragedy, sometimes like a drama, and sometimes it moves like a dark comedy. Thank you. Jai Hind.